Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to see newest comment on YouTube. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then search for YouTube. So after opening YouTube, simply play a video which you want. After playing video, scroll down and in the comment section, you see an option of short by. Click on it and now it's set to top comment. So if you want to view newest comment first, simply move the cursor to newest first and click on it. And here you can see that newest comments are on the top. Now play a second video where you can check that your setting is saved or not. Scroll down again. This video have comments are turned off. Back from it, play another video. So here you can see that in comment of section, click on short by, top comments, and here is also option of newest first. Simply click on it and here you can see that newest comments are on top. So this is the simple way to view or see the newest comment on YouTube. Hope this video helped to resolve a problem of how to see newest comment on YouTube. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.